Be careful of what crypto apps you interact with today, as a massive hack is ongoing in the crypto space. Plus, this new one altcoin is up thousands of percent, and is Bitcoin going to 50K before the end of the year? This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Altcoin Buzz Alpha wants to congratulate you all on a very profitable month of November. Bitcoin rallied past $35,000, is now hovering around 44. On November 4th, we published an alpha report and mentioned the Bitcoin targets. As we had a target in mind, we planned our November strategy meticulously, and we all achieved our targets. We had overall 61% profit in Bitcoin, 2x profit on 6 of our portfolio coins, 3x profit on our gem calls, 3 to 5x profits on 4 IDOs, and $1,800 profit on buy and sell calls. Join Altcoin Buzz Alpha for only $15 a month and get an 8% discount on yearly subscriptions. Check out the description for more details. This morning, the Chief Technology Officer at SushiSwap, Matthew Liley, wrote on X, "Red alert, do not interact with any dApps until further notice. It appears that a commonly used Web3 connector has been compromised, which allows for injection of malicious code affecting numerous dApps." Adding to that, if you have the Sushi page open and see an unexpected Connect Wallet pop-up, do not interact with or connect your wallet. We're actively working to remove the Ledger Wallet connector. For your safety, please refrain from engaging with any dApps until further notice. Revoke Cash, a service which allows crypto users to take back transaction signing powers previously given to Web3 apps, also took its front end offline to avoid users being duped. Hudson Jameson, the VP at Polygon Labs, wrote, "What's going on with the recent alerts not to use dApps? A library that's used by many dApps that is maintained by Ledger was compromised, and a wallet drainer was added. What do I do as a normal user? Don't interact with any dApp front ends on websites for now. This is an ongoing situation, and it's risky to use dApps currently if you don't understand what backend libraries they use. How does this drain your money? If you visit the website, you won't get automatically drained or your funds. However, prompts from your browser wallet like MetaMask will display that give your assets to malicious actors." And Naushner wrote, "Basically, some front ends use an NPM package or Ledger Connect. That package has been compromised in a supply chain attack. Doesn't matter if you use a ledger or not, if you connect and broadcast a transaction on a compromised website, like Revoke Cash, whether you use MetaMask or Rabby or etc. If you use a website that isn't compromised like DeFi Llama, you're safe. If you don't know what you're doing, better not to sign any transactions at the moment. No need to revoke anything, it's not about approvals." To which one user wrote, "If you have your assets on a ledger, are you safe as long as you don't touch anything for now?" And he responded by saying, "Yes, you're good, just don't sign any transactions for now. Technically, you can if the website is not compromised, but better to avoid it if you're asking that question." As all of this is still unfolding, it's best not to touch anything at the moment, and don't sign any new transactions or use any dApps. Bitcoin is displaying fresh bull run signals as Bitcoin price strength produces 7% daily gains. Looking at short-term Bitcoin price action, analysts see the potential for further progress towards key resistance near $50,000. For analyst Matthew Hyland, this comes in the form of the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, which on daily timeframes has printed a bullish divergence, with price saying the Bitcoin close confirmed it. Just as optimistic is Alley Charts, who spied a return of significant inflows into both Bitcoin and the largest altcoin Ether, saying over $19.7 billion are flowing into Bitcoin and Ethereum today. This is around the same capital inflow we saw back in December of 2020 before Bitcoin surged from 18,000 to 65,000. Meanwhile, Bitquant wrote, "We have a plan, we know where we're going, why we're going, and when we're going. The rest is just noise. Bitcoin should overcome the 42 to 45K channel by the end of the coming week, and then there are no more strong resistances until 63K. A Bitwise senior research analyst says Bitcoin is poised to record a new all-time high of 80K in 2024. The same year, stablecoins are set to collectively settle more money than payments giant Visa. Bitwise speculates that not only will the spot Bitcoin ETF be approved, but its launch will be the most successful ETF launch of all time, capturing $72 billion in assets under management within the next 5 years. Our partners at IQ Protocol are launching their IQT token on Gate.io tomorrow, December 15th at 1 p.m. UTC. IQ Protocol offers a decentralized peer-to-peer rental marketplace for digital assets. This project is simply the next money mechanism that allows you to rent wrapped, expirable versions of digital assets without collateral. In addition, it also allows holders to profit by offering liquidity without taking any risks. The IQ protocol provides the infrastructure for users to lend their NFTs to other users. The leasing agreement and fees are structured to benefit both parties, so there's an agreed upon time frame and fee. So with the IQ protocol, you can rent out assets you're not using and you don't want to sell. This way you can make extra income from rental fees and can rest assured that your original asset is safe. IQ Protocol also recently partnered with Medieval Empires, an immersive blockchain-powered strategy game that transports players back to the late 13th century in modern-day Turkey. With a focus on building towns, trading, forging alliances, and epic battles, players can explore and conquer in a constantly evolving game universe. They're also now collaborating with Unfold, who is an industry leader in digital marketing, for entertainment and gaming clients globally, and it boasts an impressive client roster ranging from Netflix, Warner Brothers, Discovery, Disney, Paramount, Amazon, Universal, Hulu, Activision, and more. With the IQT token, you can stake to unlock new gaming horizons and exclusive content, and the transaction fees from the marketplace accrue to IQT stakers. The IQT tokens are also exclusively used for all transactions in the protocol, including purchases, sales, rentals, and listings. Check out IQ Protocol and their new listing on Gate.io with a link down below. Avalanche continues its impressive rally this week. This remarkable 30-day performance has set the altcoin's price soaring 122% from $16 all the way to $41. Notably, Avalanche's bullish momentum remains resilient, despite other top coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum plunging into the red ahead of the US Fed rate decision, which happened yesterday. Avalanche's price rally and ecosystem growth over the past month is largely attributed to its strategic focus on two blockchain narratives, real-world assets, and GameFi ahead of 2024. Avalanche recently announced strategic partnerships with TradFi banking giants, including JP Morgan Chase and Citibank. Both institutions are set to leverage Avalanche and its blockchain subnets to develop RWA projects. Additionally, the Avalanche Foundation has also initiated Avalanche Vista, a $50 million fund dedicated to RWA research and development. Importantly, earlier this year, Bernstein, a prominent private wealth management firm, predicted $3 trillion worth of assets will be tokenized within the next 5 years. It's only logical that investors have been betting big on AVAX in recent weeks in a bid to front-run the potential gains from the RWA narrative. Between November 11th and December 12th, the total value locked on the Avalanche ecosystem has increased from $573 million to $936 million. Avalanche now appears to be at the forefront to capture this RWA market. This $363 million growth in Avalanche's TVL largely explains why the AVAX coin added $10 billion to its market cap in the last 30 days. Apart from RWA, Avalanche also strategically positioned itself as the largest blockchain focused on the GameFi sector. This architecture enables game developers to create highly scalable and bespoke blockchains, attracting top gaming studios to build on the Avalanche blockchain. With the global gaming market expected to reach a $1.4 trillion valuation by 2030, Avalanche's subnet architecture is a key differentiator. Considering that investors who bought AVAX during that period have been holding the bag for about 18 months, many of them could look to exit once the price appreciates to their break-even point again. That selling pressure could force a price correction. But if the bullish impact of Avalanche's soaring TVL intensifies, as observed in December so far, the bulls could garner enough momentum to smash through the $45 resistance zone and reclaim $50. Solana-based meme coin BONK surged 40% in the past 24 hours after a prominent exchange Coinbase said it would list the token on Thursday, making it the third largest meme coin behind Dogecoin and Shiba Inu to be offered on the platform. The exchange said in an announcement on Wednesday, once a sufficient supply of the asset is established, trading on our BONK USD trading pair will launch in phases, and support for BONK may be restricted in some supported jurisdictions. Coinbase listings have often led to a short-term pump in token prices, given the exchange's tendency to be selective with the tokens it offers, and a listing may give traders a sense of legitimacy for listed projects. BONK's price reversed nearly all losses from last week following the announcement, and BONK traded at 15 on Thursday morning with a trading volume of over $235 million. The tokens were issued last December in the aftermath of Sam Bankman-Fried's downfall, which prompted a sharp drop in sentiment for the Solana ecosystem. Despite initially being fashioned as a meme coin, BONK saw quick adoption in the Solana ecosystem. BONK has been a team of 22 individuals with no singular leader, all of whom were involved in the project since the inception. BONK is also up several thousands of percent in just 1 year. That's it for Altcoin Buzz's update. I'm Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.